It's bloody freezing! What's happening, guys? Welcome back to 212 Projects and another episode on the Max Power CORSA build. In the last episode you would have seen us replace all the stem seals and put the cams back in. And in this episode we're going to build this side of the engine back up. New water pump, new pulleys, time the engine all up and put a new timing belt on. We've got all the parts that we need laid out. New timing belt, idler pulleys, tensioner, new water pump with a seal, new camshaft and crankshaft seals, crankshaft gear and aux belt pulley. So we're going to start with the new seals, probably do the camshaft ones first and then the crankshaft, and then we can move on and start fitting all the new stuff. So we've got the rocker cover back off, the seals are behind these pulleys, so we're going to take this pulley off, replace the seal, reinstall the pulley, and then we'll move on to the next one. So that's the first one done. We'll quickly get the second one done and we can move on to the crank seal. So that's both the cam seals done. Now it's time to move on to the crank seal. Crank seal is done. I didn't film it because it was an absolute pain to do, but it's in, it's done, and now we can start rebuilding this side of the engine. What's happening, guys? Bit of an update on where we're at. We've changed the crank seal and the two cam seals, and I was just about to put the new water pump in, but then I realised that the rear timing cover had to go on first. So went and grabbed that and then realised it was broken into 3 pieces. So instead of paying nearly £100 for a new one, I decided to get my soldering iron out and do a wee bit of plastic welding. And now we have a repaired timing cover. We need to throw this on first, but in order to do that we need to take the cam pulleys back off. I've already taken the crank pulley off, so we need to take these two pulleys off and then we can put this on and then we can start from scratch and rebuild it all. So timing cover is back on, cams are back in, and now we can finally put in the new water pump. So now the water pump is back on and we've put this side's engine mount on. So now we can install the two idler pulleys and loosely install the tensioner, then we can finally get the new belt on. So we've now got this side of the engine all built back up. We've got new seals, new water pump, new pulleys and a new timing belt. Engine's all timed up, hopefully correctly. I've spun the engine by hand a few times and it all seems okay. So now we need to spend some more money, buy some more parts, get the rest of this engine built back up. As always, thanks very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.